Hey, welcome back to another video of Earning Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to add Wise account on your Upwork profile. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and type in upwork.com and click on enter. Now make sure that you are logged into your profile. Under your profile section, click on account settings option. After that, click on get paid tab here. Now at the center of your screen, you can see add a method button. Click on it. Scroll down a little and you can see direct to US Bank USD option. Click on setup button. You need to make sure that you have USD account details. Now select your account type, routing number here, account number, and again type in your account number on this field. You should add your USD account details from Wise to add Wise account on your Upwork profile. After adding all the information from Wise, you can click on add bank account button and your payment method will be activated in 3 days. So that is how you can add a Wise account to your Upwork profile. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.